Hey YouTube, garageboys here, back at it again. So we're gonna work in this Chevy Suburban. We're gonna replace the AC compressor. It's kind of like an easy job. This is an 04, but this will work between a 2003 all the way to a 2004. And the first thing we're gonna do is gonna disconnect our battery. So we're gonna disconnect your battery first. Our AC compressor is on this side. This is the 5.3 engine. AC compressors right there. Go ahead and lift up your truck, jack it up. I put a jack stand, and I'm not gonna show you how I did all that, but go ahead and do that, and then our compressor is gonna be right here. It's this guy, and it's gonna be an easy job. So go ahead and disconnect your battery. Make sure you vacuum your system. So I'm gonna show you this right now. Vacuum your system. I'm not gonna show you how to do it, but make sure it's empty and there's no freon in the system. Always use the low pressure, depending on what machine you have. But go ahead and vacuum the system and lift up your car, and then I'm gonna show you what you have to do next. So here we go. Okay guys, so now that you disconnected the battery, we're gonna move this air intake here, and it's very easy. Just come down here and use either a flat head or a size 8, I believe, and just loosen this up, and also do it on this side, and then you're just gonna pull. I kind of already did it a little bit, but just pull, and this whole thing comes out. Get it off this side as well. There you go. And now this is gonna give us the space that we need. Let's take this off. There we go. This will give us the space that we need, so we can get to the compressor. Let me put that to the side. And then our compressor is down there. So what we're gonna do now is we're gonna go ahead and remove the belt. And let me see if we can get a good light. Okay, remove the belt. And we're gonna do that from underneath the car. So go ahead and, like I said, get ready. And we're gonna go underneath the car. I'm gonna unplug it as well, and then start removing it. Okay guys, so come underneath the car right here. And there's a lot of space. So you're gonna come in here, and then here's your AC compressor right here. And this is actually the plug that we're going to remove in just a minute. This guy right here. It's one of those clips where it clips on each side. Let me see if I can get a better angle. So on the right side, as you can see here, it clips, and then on the other side, I'm gonna use a flathead. I'm gonna do this with both of my hands. So go ahead and remove this. And after you remove that, we're gonna go ahead and remove the belt. And if you come down here, I already put the ratchet so you can kind of see what's going on, but the compressor has only one belt going through the compressor, which is this one. And you're gonna get your 3/8 ratchet, and you're just gonna use an extension. I'm just gonna show you this is the big one, but I'm gonna use the small extension. It's already set up. And see this square part of your ratchet, of your extension? It just clips in here, it goes in there. There's a little hole, a square hole. And then, let me see, there you go. And then you can put your ratchet right there. And now what you're gonna do is just come in here and just move towards the floor. It gets down. If you're looking at it straight, it'll be clockwise. And as you can see, the tension is being loose. And then use your other hand and just remove the belt. This is how you remove the belt, very easy. And this is how we're gonna put it back on when we're done. So go ahead and remove the belt. As I'm showing you, use both of your hands. Very easy, there's a lot of space. And then go ahead and unplug it, the AC compressor from here. Like I said before, just 2 clips, one on each side. Go ahead and unplug that. Some compressors, for whatever reason, have another plug back here. Go ahead and unplug that, not this one. Some models do, but those are rare. Go ahead and do that stuff, and then I'll show you what you have to do next. Okay guys, so now we're gonna come back to the top and go ahead and remove these screws that hold your hoses for the compressor. Is this one right here, it's a size 13, and then the other one is right behind it. It's 2 different hoses, yeah, so right there, this guy right here, they're size 13. Go ahead and remove those, and you're gonna be able to remove your whole metal hoses. Just move them to the side. This is my setup right here. And then after you remove that, I'm gonna show you what you have to do next. Okay guys, so now that I removed that, let me see. So now that I removed that, before I take this out, this one out, I just want to show you there's some gaskets in there. This one also has a gasket. So when you remove it, make sure you don't lose the gasket, okay? Make sure you replace that since you're here, I guess. That's a good idea to do that since you're putting a new compressor or whatever you're doing. Anyways, now that you're done with that, we're gonna move this to the side, and I'll put it somewhere else, and then I'll show you. But for now, we're gonna go ahead and move on to the 2 screws on the top, which is this one right here, this guy. It's a size 15, this one. And then the second one, it's right here. Let me see. right here. So you see the top ones here and here. They're size 15. Go ahead and remove those, and then I'm gonna show you what you have to do next. Okay guys, so now that we removed those screws, the one on the left is shorter than the one on the right, so just keep that in mind. The one on the right is longer, as you can see. This is the one on the left. So whenever you reinstall back the new compressor, just make sure the longer one obviously is gonna go on the right side. So now that we did that, we're gonna remove the 2 at the bottom because there's 4 total. We finished this 2. Now we have 2 left at the bottom, so we're halfway there. Oh, I guess we're living on a prayer. So anyways, come down here and we're gonna finish this job real quick. So here we go. Okay guys, so now that we're underneath the car, it's very easy. I left this ones for last because it's easy. You always do the hard ones first, which is the ones on top, which were also easy, but it's an easy job overall. Anyways, their size 15 is this guy and then this guy. You have a lot of space. Everything's fine. You may have an issue here. You may have to use a wrench if your ratchet doesn't fit, but I think you have enough space and you'll make it. And wear some goggles because all this dust may fall in your eyes. But go ahead and remove this 2. Once you remove those 2, the compressor's gonna come down. It won't fit through here, so it won't hit you, so you're fine. At least for me, I'm not sure your setup, if you have a newer vehicle, may be a little bit different. But the goal is to remove it from here and then to loosen it up from here and then remove it from the top. So I'm going to show you that in just a second. Go ahead and remove these 2 screws. Again, they're size 15. Go ahead and do that, and I'll show you what you have to do next. All right, guys, so I removed the 2 bottom screws, and I just want to show you where it comes out from. So I already moved it out a little bit, but what I did is I pushed it towards the fans. I pushed it that way, and then I leaned up the back of it. I grabbed it from the back, and then you kind of have to kind of little turn it, twist and turn, so it can run through this hoses, and then that's it. As you guys can see, it's already out. Let me see if I can grab it with my left hand. Yeah, there we go. Oh, let me see. There we go. Yeah, so here it is. That's how you remove this guy and replace it. I put the link in the description, so if you want to buy the new one on Amazon, you can check it out. You can buy it wherever you want, but I think I paid like $100, 110. Next day delivery. As you can see, mine was, I don't know, it was doing something weird. But anyway, it wasn't working, and it was actually making a noise, so I need a replacement. Very easy job, maybe 25 minutes tops, I guess. Maybe 40 minutes. But very easy. Hopefully this helped, guys. Check the link in the description. Like and subscribe. Share this with your friends. And thanks for watching. If it really helped, you can shoot me a super thanks or a donation. I try to make a lot of videos, and that really encourages me and helps me to move forward. But yeah, that's it, guys. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe.